Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the keyboard, top cover, and disconnect the battery cable. Removal: remove the rubber pad that covers the USB audio board connector on the system board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB audio board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB audio board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the USB audio board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the battery. Remove the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the USB audio board to the base enclosure. Lift the left edge of the USB audio board off of its alignment pins and remove the USB audio board external connectors from the cutouts in the base enclosure. Place the USB audio board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the USB audio board from the static dissipative bag. Tow the external connectors into the cutouts in the base enclosure and lower the USB audio board onto its alignment pins. Replace the 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screw that secures the USB audio board to the base enclosure. Insert the USB audio board ribbon cable into the USB audio board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Adhere the USB audio board ribbon cable to the battery. Adhere the rubber pad onto the USB audio board connector on the system board.